Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to create a pivot table manually. As I mentioned, we have flat data here. This is a different looking set of data, but the point is it's data that we can convert over to a pivot table. Here we have salesperson, we have product, we have a date. We want to see the quarterly sales of products versus the salesperson. Where do we go from here? We highlight the range, hit insert, pivot table from table range. Where do we go from here? Look at the data range, make sure it's correct. If you have these moving dots, that indicates the range. We want it in the existing worksheet, and we want it as close as possible to the data set. We'll put it in an L, we'll hit OK. To build a report, choose fields from the pivot table fields list. What does that mean? These are fields, and this is your pivot table fields dialog box. This information we will discuss next. When you insert something new, as you recall from charts, when we inserted charts, when you add a new element, in this case, a pivot table, as with charts, a new tab was introduced. In here, we have a pivot table tab, and we have a design tab. The design tab is designed for, well, the pivot table. And the pivot table has a bunch of stuff similar to charts, and how about at smart art, the graphics. You can see here with pivot table, we have a bunch of groups. And we'll go through, but all of this is part of the pivot table design. We also have this pivot table field. We can expand this if we want, if we need to. We can always close it. We can move, we can resize if we want to move it. We can shrink it down if we want to. We can resize and we can close. The only way this works is you have to click in this box here and hit pivot table analysis. If you want to change the layout of this pivot table field, go up here to the key or the gear icon, pull around with this and see if there's something that works better for you. And you can play around, see what, if anything, appeals to you. I like this particular style. Close or resize or move. We can move it back over here, back into its place. And if you want to move it away from there, hit this and go move. You can move it. You can move it back, hit move, and then bring it back here, and it will redock over here. Now, if you move it and then you close it, and then you go, well, where'd it go? Go up to the field list. It will bring it back onto the worksheet. If you want to redock it, go back, hit move. Each time, if you take your mouse off of the move, you have to reset it. And just go back and redock, and you're good to go. If you want to close it now, you close. If you want to open it, field list. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.